Changing your Kik profile picture is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Launch the Kik app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your Kik account. Look for the settings menu within the app. This is usually represented by a gear icon and is typically located in the top right or left corner of the screen. Within the settings menu, there should be an option to edit your profile. Then select this option to access your profile settings. Look for the option to change or edit your profile picture. It may be labeled as profile picture, avatar, or something similar. Choose the option to upload a new picture. You may be prompted to select a photo from your device's gallery or take a new photo using your device's camera. Once you are satisfied with your new profile picture, look for a Save or Apply button to confirm the changes.